This is the 1970 Hot Wheels tune-up tower. Today, we're doing a drive-through. Beginning with the first floor, moving on to the middle floor, and finishing with the top floor. On the first floor, when the elevator is in use, the elevator safety bar comes down. That way, you can't drive into the elevator well by accident. While you wait, there's lots of parking on the ground floor. When the elevator finally comes down, the safety bar lifts up. Now we can head in. Whoops! I forgot to move the merger bar. This diverts cars into the elevator. On the second floor, you have a couple of options. You can exit out the front. You can park. And you can head out through the backside. On the third floor, you can test how your car is rolling with the treadmill. When you pull out, there's even a molded car hoist to park on. To send the car back to the track, you drive onto the ramp. The ramp has a notch that holds the car in place while you lift the handle. When you're ready to go, lift the handle all the way up. One more thing. When you buy a tune-up tower, these second floor tabs will only be present if the tower was put together in 1970 and never taken apart. If the tower has been disassembled, then one or more of these tabs will be broken off on each corner. I don't see any way of taking these towers apart without breaking tabs. Just something to be aware of if you want a complete tower, or if you want to be able to collapse it for storage or shipping. So there you have it, a drive-through of the 1970 Hot Wheels tune-up tower. It's still fast, still fun.